Welcome to 3860 Kinsale Road, a newly built custom home with 4+1 bedrooms and 5 washrooms, situated on just over half an acre of land within rural North Pickering's charming Kinsale hamlet. Showcasing a U-shaped driveway, a triple-car garage, and parking for up to 23 vehicles in total, the front yard has a huge interlocking terrace overlooking a manicured lawn space, with the remainder of the sun-washed property having exceptional landscaping potential. A stone front facade and a stately covered entrance with a balcony above it enhance the exterior grandeur and curb appeal, while large, well-placed windows allow for abundant natural lighting to permeate this home, which exudes an aura of elegance and luxury throughout. The marble flooring of the grand entrance foyer is carried throughout much of the main level, with the foyer open to above and having a soaring cathedral ceiling, where a chandelier casts its glow here and throughout the upper hallways. High ceilings, upgraded trims and baseboards, as well as other beautiful appointments are also showcased throughout the main level, as is rich hardwood flooring that finishes the formal entertaining spaces, the family room, and the home office. Set across from each other off the foyer, the formal living room and the home office both have coffered ceilings with pot lighting, are bathed in light from their east-facing exposures, and have the added elegance of wood French door entries. Pot lighting also illuminates the open concept spaces of the formal dining room and the adjacent family room. These entertaining spaces filled with light from north and west facing exposures, the family room windows also offering exceptional views of the lush conservation lands beyond the backyard, while the gas fireplace adds a cozy touch to the space. These rooms are fully open to the kitchen and its breakfast area, both which enjoy west-facing exposures and outdoor views, are brightened with pot lighting, and with the breakfast area having the added illumination of a modern pendant light fixture. The functional working space of the custom kitchen also lends itself to intimate entertaining, its center island having seating and a built-in induction cooktop with range hood above, where the home chef can interact with guests while prepping the gourmet delights of the evening. And the kitchen also showcases a stainless steel French door fridge, a built-in oven, dishwasher, and a double sink, mosaic tiled backsplashes and quartz counters, as well as richly hued cabinetry with molded uppers and a full wall pantry. Off the kitchen are convenient everyday utility spaces. A mudroom with a secondary coat closet and access to the garage. A laundry room with front-load washer and dryer, cabinetry storage, a stainless steel sink, folding counter, and access to a walk-in pantry. While beyond a pocket door that closes these spaces off from the main level is a powder room with pedestal sink. And off the breakfast area is a garden door walkout that opens onto a large raised entertaining deck with glass railing that overlooks the lush ravine setting of the adjacent conservation lands. The main level also has a very large double coat closet off the reception area, as well as a gorgeous hardwood staircase with wrought iron pickets carrying to the upper level. This level showcases 9-foot ceilings and hardwood flooring throughout, 4 spacious bedrooms, 3 well-appointed washrooms, a large double linen closet, and pot lighting in the upper hall, with both the hallway and a mezzanine open to the reception area below. The third and fourth bedrooms both feature double-sized closets and have west-facing windows from which to enjoy views of the ravine setting. The common-use four-piece washroom shared by these bedrooms features a vanity with stone counter, as well as a stone-tiled floor and bath area. While the second bedroom showcases a vaulted ceiling above its east-facing window, space for a sitting area, a double closet, as well as a four-piece ensuite washroom with its floor, bath area, and vanity counter all finished with stone. And this bedroom also has a private entry to the mezzanine, which has a walkout onto an east-facing wood balcony with wrought iron railing that overlooks the front yard. Directly off the staircase landing is the master suite. This very generously sized personal space, showcasing east and north-facing exposures, built-in shelves on its east wall, the coziness of a gas fireplace, and its own private access to the mezzanine and the east-facing balcony. In addition to a spacious sitting area and two walk-in closets with organizers, through a set of swinging doors is the luxurious and spa-like ensuite washroom. Showcasing stone-tiled finishes throughout, this washroom also has the privacy of a water closet, a freestanding tub, and a separate glass shower area with rainfall shower head, pot lighting and a west-facing window, as well as two separate vanities, both with stone counters. Recently finished, the walkout lower level brings impressive living and entertaining space to the home, while also being ideal as an in-law suite. Showcasing wide plank laminate flooring and pot lighting throughout, a bonus room off the lower landing is well suited as a bedroom. And the massive recreation room can easily accommodate living, dining, games, and fitness areas, has a built-in contemporary fireplace surrounded by display shelves, and is flooded with light through large above-grade west-facing windows. The stunning new kitchen showcases a huge island with seating, a stainless steel fridge, sink and dishwasher, quartz counters and a beveled glass backsplash, as well as cabinetry with stacked uppers and glass paneled accent doors. And this level also features lots of storage, a 3-piece washroom with a pedestal sink and a tiled floor and shower area, as well as a walkout onto a covered patio overlooking the backyard and conservation area. Enjoying a quiet, rural setting, this home is a short drive from the urban centers of Pickering, Ajax, and Whitby for entertainment, restaurants, and everyday shopping needs, with access to highways 7, 407, and the 412, also just minutes away.